Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be showing you how I prep the natural nail and apply nail tips for acrylic application. And so first you're going to spray your hands, and then you're going to push back the cuticles with a cuticle pusher. And after that, you're going to clip your nails if they're a little too long. And after that, you're going to remove the shine with a fine sanding band. And you want to be gentle because you do not want to damage your nail. You want to be sure to clean your cuticles and remove all of that dead cuticle, because you don't want anything on your nails, because you do not want any lifting of the acrylic. And then you're going to dehydrate your nails, and this is just like extra, this is for to remove the extra oils or shine that you have on your nail. And after that, you're going to size your tips and you're going to glue them on. And this glue I'm using is by KDS glue. And you want to be sure that the nails fit from sidewall to sidewall. You want a perfect fit because you don't want your nail to pop off or lift or break. So you're just going to size your nail, and then you're going to glue it on. And after that, we will be blending the nail tip to the natural nail. And again, I'm just using a fine sanding band with my drill. And you're just gently blending in the nail tip to the natural nail. And you want to remove all the dust. And after that, we're going to cut our nails down to the desired length. And I'm measuring them by lining up my cuticles with each other to cut down the nail. And after that, you're going to file the sides for your desired shape. And I'm just doing a square shape. And you want to file a little bit at a time on each side so you won't get a crooked nail. And you're just going to keep filing away until you get your desired look. And dust off the dust. And after that, you're going to apply your primer. And this is for a better adhesion of the acrylic. And I'm applying 2 coats. And this primer and dehydrator is by Mia Secret. And this is the final look, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.